Hi friends, welcome to Hidden Secrets of Pranayama with the blessings of our Divine Guruji, Shri Seshabhatta Sudarshanacharya, who is a Kundalini Yogi, who is a Himalayan Yogi, who is a direct disciple to Swami Devaraha Baba. Today, I brought one very important Pranayama topic, Pranayama secret to disclose you, my friends. Today, I brought you one shloka from Veda. Veda is considered to be the oldest scripture in the world. It is a Hindu oldest literature, my friends. In Veda, there are certain shlokas written about pranayama. Those are very secret shlokas. The meaning, many people are not aware about it. Today, I came with one shloka from Veda, which is very important, which has got a lot of in-depth meaning regarding pranayama. So let's get into the topic, my friends. The shloka is Dvau Vimau Vata Vata Asindhosa Paravata. The meaning of shloka, Dvau means two types of. Vimau means very pure and sacred kind of. Vata Vata means it's a combination of two words, Vata plus Avata. Vata means Prana. Avata means Apana. Asindhu. Sindhu means heart. Asindhu means till the heart. Aparavata means below the heart till the outside of anus level. So now let me explain you the full meaning of this shloka, my friends. Dvau Vimau Vata Vata Asindhosa Paravata. The full meaning of this shloka is there are two types of very purified air elements called Vata Avata, means Prana Apana. The first one, Prana, exists till the heart, from the outside of the nose, maybe from the nature, till the heart, Prana exists. And below the heart, till outside of the anus level, Apana exists. So my friends, Veda is saying about Prana Apana. Prana Apana are very purified air elements. The first one, Prana, exists from outside till the heart. The second one, Apana, exists below the heart till outside level. Now, I will connect this with one more shloka in Veda, my friends. That shloka says, Prana Panau Mrityorma Patam Swaha. Means Prana Apana, when you merge together, when you merge Prana with Apana, Mrityorma Patam Swaha, means it will eliminate the death. When you merge Prana with Apana, this will eliminate the death as stated in Veda, my friends. So as I told you some time back, Prana exists till the heart, Apana exists at the bottom level. So by doing certain secret pranayama techniques, if you are able to merge or mix prana with apana or apana with prana, this will eliminate the death. Here, eliminating the death doesn't mean that it makes you fully immortal. Probably this can give you a much more longer life. My friends, please note that this is one of the main secrets how the Himalayan yogis will live very longer life. In fact, there are yogis who are living from hundreds of years. Some people say even there are yogis who are living from thousands of years. So, Veda is revealing very topmost secrets from two shlokas. First one is Dvau Vimau Vata Vata Asindhosa Paravata. Second one, Prana Vrityorma Patam Swaha. So kindly understand this secret. My sincere request to all the viewers is, kindly do not practice this Prana Apana Kriya just by listening to this video communication, my friends. This need to be practiced under the supervision of our Himalayan master, Shri Seshabhattar Sudarshanacharya ji. This is very secret Kriya and very powerful Kriya and very difficult Kriya. This need to be understood and this need to be performed under the supervision of the Himalayan masters. Kindly do not practice this. Kindly do not even attempt to practice this on your own just by listening to my communication. Thank you. For more pranayama secrets, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Namaste.